Thanks for watching this video. This is Mr. Bowman, and in this video we're going to talk about finding the vertex of a quadratic function. Okay, so recall from the previous video that a quadratic function is any function of the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, where a is not 0. Our goal with this instruction in this video is to, without looking at the graph, find where the vertex is at. So to find the vertex, the first thing to do is to find the x-coordinate by using this rule. And again, if we were together in class, we would spend a lot more time talking about why that rule is what it is and where to find it. You can actually find it as part of the quadratic formula we talked about previously. But the x-coordinate of the vertex will always be x equals the opposite of b divided by 2 times a. And we're talking about b and a, the b and a values from that function. Okay? So you can see the color coding there, that blue b's and the a's that are red. Okay? Once you've found that value, plug that x-coordinate into the function rule. So you're going to take the value you get from this rule and you're going to replace both of the x's with that number. And then simplify the right side to get the y coordinate. And then you've got an x value and you'll find a y value. Write that as an ordered pair. Let's do an example together. Find the vertex of the quadratic function. The function is y equals x squared plus 4x minus 1. It really helps to know what a, b, and c are. A is the coefficient of the x squared term. You know, what could be tricky here is that there's not a number written. So what is that coefficient? It's a 1. Yeah. In this example, a is 1. B is the coefficient of the x term. So b is positive 4. And c is the negative 1. Note the importance of getting the negative sign in there too. Alright, the rule for the x-coordinate said we need the opposite of b over 2 times whatever a is. So let's see if we can plug those in there. The opposite of b, you know, b is positive 4. So the opposite of b is going to be negative 4. If b had been a negative number, I should have a positive number here. The opposite of whatever b is. All over 2 times, what's a? A is 1. Yeah. So let's just simplify this with order of operations. There's nothing left to work in the top of this fraction. The bottom only has 2 times 1. So I've got negative 4 on top. 2 times 1 is 2 on bottom. And now I'm just left to divide. What is negative 4 divided by 2? It's negative 2. Yeah. That's going to be the x-coordinate of my answer. I can already write half of my answer. My answer is going to be negative 2, comma, something. I can put a box around it. What I need to do to find the y-coordinate now is to take this value and replace both the x's with negative 2. And I want to be really careful doing this. I want to make sure I get all the signs and all the exponents correctly applied. So I'm going to write the equation. I'm going to write the original equation just the way it looks. And all I'm going to replace is the x's with negative 2's. So the first thing I've got is I've got y equals x squared. So negative 2 squared. I cannot emphasize enough how important it is to make sure that you get all of your x value squared. Negative 2, if that x is negative, make sure that that is in parentheses. X squared, negative 2 squared, plus 4 times x, 4 times negative 2, minus 1. And all I've got left to do to figure this out is to simplify the right-hand side using order of operations. So what's my very next thing to do? I've got a negative 2 to square. So negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4 And now we're a little simpler. What's my next thing? I've got multiplication that I see. Positive 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. So what I see is 4 minus 8 minus 1. 4 minus 8 is negative 4. And negative 4 minus 1 is negative 5. Lorenz is making a cameo in our video today. Hey, buddy. There's our answer. We've got negative 2, negative 5 as the vertex. Thanks for watching.